Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, Miss. Before the starting, I will introduce myself. My name is Audia Zawa Maharani. My ID number is 120503004 and 9. And I am from Class B. Here I will explain the semiotic of several characters and explain semiotic from several point of view. First, Ferdinand Saussure suggests the semiotic is general used as a tool to define categories of sign written and read by our minds. Ferdinand Saussure divides four theoretical concepts, namely signifier, signify, language, and parole, and the last synchronic and diachronic. Charles Sanders is based on the logic because logic studies how people reason through the sign. With the sign, we can think and we can even relate to other people and provide meaning. In the case, humans have various signs in their life, and the most important thing is linguistic sign. Roman Jakobson, first person to try to explain the communication how of literature text. Jacobson explained the different functions of language, which are forming factor in each type of verbal communication, namely addresser, message, address, context, code, and contact. Louis himself. A sign not only contains an internal relationship between material aspect, signifier, and a mental concept, signify, but also contains a relationship between itself and wider system outside itself. Grimace. Narrative can be understood the story that has beginning, middle, and the end, which contains conclusion or sum of the experience of the person telling the story. A story relates to unusual event and the complex things in the event depicted. Roland Barthes stated the mind is communication system because mind is message. Mind is a form carried through discourse. Mind cannot be conveyed through the object of the message, but the reader through the message conveyed. Halliday, language is a semiotic, which means interpreted language in social-cultural context where culture is interpreted in semiotic terminology as an information system. Umberto Eco argues that semiotics focus on everything related to sign, symbolic forms, iconic forms, and indexial forms. Rivater helps to understand the scope of semiotics, which explain the science of sign. According to Rivater, there are four ways to find out meaning, namely heuristic, reading, heuristics reading, matrix, model, variant, and hypogram. And semiotic and several forms of point of view. First, literature. Interpreting work based on the sign in literary work to find out the aims and objectives of writer, like a roman and Rivater, which express semiotic in literature. Language. An interpretation of sign used to communicate to find out a meaning. This is explained by Ferdinand and Charles. History. Historians use semiotic for interpretation because historian based in the personal assumption and their era, but based on the interpretation of society in the particular era they study. This is a relate to explain from the Gueremais and Umberto Eco. Science. To study signs that they can find out how they function and produce a meaning. And the last, culture. To express and provide justification for domain values that apply in certain period. So, the conclusion is semiotic is science that study a series of objects, signs, and events. In the case, the sign will show the meaning or something else hidden behind the sign itself. In other words, the existence of sign will represent something related to particular object, and this object can carry information and communicate in the form of sign. That's all from me. I'm sorry if I make a mistake for pronunciation and or explain the material. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.